So, why does Bitcoin matter? Why is it even valuable? People call it digital gold, but it's more than that. Gold is heavy, slow, and needs volts. Bitcoin? It's weightless, global, and secured by math. It moves fast, it can't be faked or inflated. It doesn't ask for permission, and no one can shut it off. This isn't just for crypto geeks anymore. Big players like BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK are buying Bitcoin through ETFs. Wall Street is taking it seriously. But here's the game changer. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. That's fewer than the number of millionaires on Earth. Not everyone can own one. And it keeps getting scarcer. Every 4 years, the Bitcoin supply is cut in half on purpose. Started at 50 BTC, then 25, 12.5, 6.25. Now, just 3.125 BTC. Next, 1.56. Less Bitcoin is created. More people want it. Basic economics, price goes up. Even crazier, around 30% of Bitcoin is lost forever. Forgotten wallets, lost keys. That makes it even more scarce. From paper money and inflation to fixed supply, digital money. From control by a few to ownership by the many. Follow 1M Block for more.